guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bichos or Bugs collection. This time guys, it's none other than the black spotted cicada. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post anything new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchinier. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up the top we have the title of the collection, Bichos or Bugs, and here in the middle we have a picture of the bug that we got. And well, let's open this up. And down here in the bottom it gives a little bit of a description, a bit about their habitats, as well as some other observations about them, and a picture of the slide. But our slide is going to look a bit different than this. That's okay. And over here it talks about solitary wasp. Wasps are kind of scary. They're kind of cool too if you think about it. These little tiny things that pack a punch. And here guys, it shows you some different types and where they live. They kind of look very similar, but they're very cool. And then up here we have their main habitats. Self-sufficient bugs. They don't depend on colonies or anything. They get their own foods. Here we go. Their main prey are spiders, butterflies, and grasshoppers. And their main predators are birds, spiders, and wasps. That's interesting, that the same thing that they eat also tries to eat them. We've previously unboxed spiders as well as some different types of grasshoppers. If you're interested in seeing those, they will be in the playlist in the end of this video, so make sure to check that out. And then here in the back we have the bichograms, or like the puzzles and quizzes at the end. And well guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our brand new bug. So So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have our black spotted cicada. As we turn him, you can see his spots there in the back. It's really cool. I'm going to turn it so you guys can see maybe a bit his head. Well, his eyes are very clear. There's his underside there. And he's really big. That was one of the first things I noticed. It's cool though. Show you the other side. Bottom. You guys tell me, what do you guys think about our brand new black spotted cicada? He looks really cool. You guys tell me what you guys think though. Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below I will also have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Tumblr, all of that linked down below. I look forward to seeing you guys over on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does game how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.